Hi guys, welcome back to video 5 of our 20 short videos about the English language. In video 1 we talked about verbs, but today in video number 5 we're going to be talking about something we talked about in video 1, the verb to be. This might be the most important verb in the entire English language. The verb to be changes form. Present tense, I am, you are. He is, she is, they are. We use to be for names, jobs, feelings, age, descriptions. For example, I am tired. She is a doctor. They are happy. Bangkok is busy. One huge mistake learners make is removing the verb. For example, he tall. That's incorrect. He is tall. That's correct. English usually needs the verb to be in these situations. And in spoken English, native speakers often shorten it. I am becomes I'm. You are, you're. They are, they are. Now let's practice. Which form of the verb to be is needed and correct in these sentences? She blank my friend. Well done. The answer is. She is my friend. They blank excited. Well done. The answer is are. They are excited. Now, let's look at negatives. We form the negative by putting not after the verb to be. I am not tired. He is not here. They are not ready. Shortened, I'm not tired. He isn't here. They aren't ready. Questions. Are you okay? Is she at home? The verb to be appears everywhere in English. That's why mastering it is so important. Subject, verb to be in sentences. Verb to be subject for questions. So we reverse it around. Are you okay? Is she at home? The verb to be appears everywhere in English. That is why mastering it is so important. Master the verb to be and you can already build thousands of sentences. So that's the end of video number 5. Thank you if you made it this far. I really appreciate it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. All that stuff really helps. I will see you in video number 6 next time. And until then, if you have any questions, comments down below, and I'll see you there, guys. Thank you very much.